Pine Labs collaborates with OpenAI to build India's agentic commerce infrastructure. Pine Labs has announced a strategic collaboration with OpenAI to engineer what it describes as the era of agentic commerce in India. The partnership aims to integrate OpenAI's APIs directly into Pine Labs' AI-native infrastructure, marking a structural shift in how digital commerce systems operate. India's fintech ecosystem has rapidly expanded, with digital payment volumes crossing 180 billion transactions annually and the sector projected to reach a valuation of around $1.5 trillion. Operating at the center of this high-velocity ecosystem, Pine Labs is now leveraging advanced AI models to move beyond basic transaction processing toward intelligent financial orchestration. Traditionally, fintech systems have been deterministic in nature, built on predefined if-then logic. Under the new collaboration, Pine Labs is embedding probabilistic reasoning capabilities into its core stack. This allows financial systems not just to execute instructions, but to evaluate context, weigh possibilities, and take structured decisions within defined compliance guardrails. According to management commentary, the shift represents a move from passive infrastructure to active intelligence. Instead of simply recording transactions, the platform aims to autonomously optimize workflows such as settlement cycles, supplier payments, recurring billing, and merchant financing operations. The integration of OpenAI's reasoning capabilities is designed to create what Pine Labs calls a reasoning layer for commerce. In this architecture, AI systems can understand intent, analyze financial parameters, and execute decisions while operating within secure, audited enterprise environments. The collaboration also aligns with India's sophisticated digital payment rails, including real-time systems such as UPI. With advancements like UPI Reserve Pay, conversational interfaces could evolve from simple product discovery tools into fully delegated financial assistance capable of managing end-to-end transaction life cycles. Under this model, intelligent agents could potentially negotiate supplier terms, optimize cross-border settlement timing, or manage working capital flows within preset user-defined boundaries. OpenAI provides the advanced decision-making layer, while Pine Labs' infrastructure ensures regulated financial execution and compliance adherence. Importantly, Pine Labs has emphasized that all AI-driven workflows will operate within enterprise-grade security architecture. This includes strict data isolation, encryption protocols, audit trails, and human oversight wherever regulatory frameworks require intervention. Beyond internal deployment, Pine Labs plans to open this agentic stack to its broader developer ecosystem. By offering APIs and infrastructure tools, the company intends to enable third-party innovators to build AI-native fintech applications on top of its merchant network. Strategically, this collaboration positions Pine Labs at the intersection of artificial intelligence and large-scale payment infrastructure. If successfully executed, the integration could redefine how merchants and enterprises interact with financial systems, shifting from manual workflow management to intelligent, autonomous financial coordination. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.